Good evening, my dear students. So here is a guide video how to participate in reading competition. So the competition is about reading. So what you have to do, you have to read a book. You have to read a book and you have to write summary of the book in 2 pages only. Only 2 pages. So you have to write the summary and upload. Then you have to make a video also only 2 minutes. You can also record for less than 2 minutes, but the video should not be more than 2 minutes. You can record less than 2 minutes or 2 minutes, but it should not be more than 2 minutes. So last date for registration is 31st August this month, and last date to take part in competition, that means to upload your 2 page summary and 2 minute video, is 15th September. So now we will go to the website. We will know about the competition and what to submit, how to submit. Okay, what to write in the 2 pages that we will upload, and what to make in the video of 2 minutes. We will now know. After that, you will do that. Okay, so how to register and how to take part in the competition, now I will show you. So for that, you have to go, okay, to a website. You will type a website, that is Read India, READINDIA. Okay, Read India dot info. So this is the website. You have to type readindia.info, read, read India, India dot info, info. So then you will go to the website readindia.info. After that, you will find such an interface. Okay, so now here you can see uh, at the top corner right side, there is login and register. Okay, there is login and register. So you have to click on login and register. Okay, to login. If you are for the first time here, you have to register first. After that, you will log in. So before that, first of all, we will know about the competition, then we will do that. Okay, so you have to scroll down to know about the competition, and now you can see here RIC 2021 international. So this is an international level competition. So students from outside of our country also, they will participate. Okay, so this is an international competition. RIC means Read India celebration. Read India celebration 2021. So this is a reading competition. Okay, so now you have to click here, click to participate. If you will click to participate, then you will you will know about the competition. What is the competition? So this is the competition for school students from standard 3rd to standard 12th, and also for college students. Okay, so now we will go. So here what we have to do, only three things you have to do: read, think, and act. So you have to read a book, then you have to think, then you have to write 2 pages summary, only 2 pages, and also you have to record a video of 2 minutes. Okay, so how we will do those things, now we will discuss. So here are two steps. Okay, sorry, three steps. Three simple steps are here to participate in the competition. First one is register here. So you have to register. Then second one is read. So read a book or research paper on a topic. 25 themes or topics are given in the below side. Okay, but you need not to read the research paper. That is for college students. Okay, so you have to read a book. Okay, so what book you will read, that is also given in the below, we will discuss. Then third is submit or upload below 2 files. So what you have to upload? 2 files you have to upload. One is document file, that is a 2 page summary. You have to write 2 pages. After reading the book, you have to write 2 pages. You have to write the summary of the book. What you have learned, you have write. Okay. So how we will write? In page number one, so the summary will be of 2 pages. So in page number one, you have to summarize the message. You have to summarize the message or learning in the book. What you have learned. Okay, you have to write. Okay. And independent views on the research topic, that is only for college students. So first line is for you. Summarize the message and learning. Okay, in the book. After reading the book, what you have learned, you will write in the first page. And in the second page, describe and propose a solution to any problem of your choice from upload file tab in students dashboard. And in second page, you have to write solution for a problem, and what problem you will take, those are also given below. We will discuss what problems you can take. Okay. Okay. And then second one is video file. So in video file, you have to make a 1 to 2 minutes video. Okay, you can record a video of 1 to 2 minutes, in between 1 to 2 minutes. Now it should not be more than 2 minutes. So you have to record either 1 or 1 to 2 minutes, in between 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. First you have to give your self introduction. After that you will record. That means what is that video about? That video will be the message and learning from the book. After reading the book, what you have learned, okay, you will also record a video about what you have learned, okay, from the book. Okay, so you have to submit both the what the 2 pages you will write either in after writing, either you will make PDF. Okay, so you have to upload PDF file, and you have to also upload the video. So you will upload both the PDF and video, okay, at the same time, okay, by September 15th. So by 15th September you have to upload, because 15th September is the last date. Okay, so now for students in India, Hindi and English, Hindi and English language submissions are allowed. For students in India, they can submit Hindi, either Hindi or in English. Okay. But international students will submit only in English language. So you are from India, so you can submit either in Hindi or in English. Now, timelines for the competition. So last date for student registration is August 31st. I have already told you. So before August 31st, you have to register. You have to do register. Then after that, last date for student submission. That means submission of PDF and submission of video. Last date is September 15th. Okay. So after that, second round screening begins for 100 qualifiers. Then after that, they will select 100 students. Okay, for second round. That will be occur in September October month, and then they will give you coaching. If you get selected, then only they will give you coaching in October November. Then grand finale will be there. Okay, in December. Okay. So, what is the vision? What is about Read India syllabus? Why Read India syllabus is going on? If you will read, then you will know about it. Okay. So then now nominated book for the year 2021. So this year the nominated book name is Leadership, Leading Self and Beyond. So here is the link to download ebook. So you can download ebook. Okay. I will also send the book. I will also send the book in your class group. You can read. Okay. Either if you are not a student from our school, so you can click on download ebook. Okay, it is written here in saffron color. If you click on download ebook, then the book will be downloaded in your mobile or laptop. Okay, then proposed topic for the year 2021. Okay, if you read the book, that is also better. After that you will write the summary. If you want to read another book, any other book, so you can also read, but the book must be in the topic use, addiction and abuse of technology. Okay, that means uh, topic of the year is use, addiction and abuse of technology. Can technology potentially empower or hamper youth world? So this is the topic. So simple. You have to download the book Leading Self and Beyond and read and complete the what we call competition. Okay, no need to book, मतलब read another book. Okay, and uh, right for use, addiction and abuse of technology. No need of that. This can be done by the college student. So you have to download this book Leading Self and Beyond and read and write to the summary. That will be better for you. Okay. Okay, then why this topic for 2021 you can read. Okay, so that you will know. Okay, then this is important, cadence and rules for RIC 2021. Okay, so here are some rules we can see. Students can read the nominated book Leading Self and Beyond. So I have already told you that the book can be downloaded by clicking on the saffron color link. Okay, then you can read Leading Self and Beyond. This is the name of the book. Okay, and after that, so you can either read the book or read any book of their choice on the nominated topic or a topic of their own choice. So the topic is use, addiction and abuse of technology. So if you read another, you want to read any other book, then you have to read on the topic use, addiction and abuse of technology, or also you can read also any topic of your choice. Okay, any topic of your choice you can also read other books. Okay, and the topics are given here. The topics are given below. We will see later. So there are 25 themes or topics. For example, changes in lifestyle due to corona pandemic. Okay, they are already given here. If you scroll down, you will see here there are 25 themes. Okay, here you can see they have listed 25 themes. So you can read other books also. Okay, but you have to write your summary for these 25 themes. Okay, so it is better you read the book which is mentioned. Okay, that's nominated book for the year, leading self and beyond. You have to it will be better if you read this book. Okay, then you have to write a summary for 2 pages, in 2 pages, okay, about the book, and you have to make a video of 2 minutes. Okay, matlab less than 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes. Okay, then you have to upload both the PDF and your video, okay, by September 15th. Okay, and now let us see. So the second rule is word submission. Okay, summary, that is summary should not be more than 2 A4 paper. Means in A4 paper you have to write only 2 pages. It should not be more than 2 pages. Okay. And second thing is, okay, second thing is video submission. Video submission start with self introduction and should not be more than 2 minutes. So first you will have to self introduce. Uh, you will introduce yourself. Okay, what is your name? Okay, in which school, in which from which school you are. Okay, so your name, your school name, and your class. Okay, you will tell in self introduction. Then after you will complete the video. Okay, uh, the video should not be more than 2 minutes. So you have to complete the video about less than 2 minutes. Okay, including self introduction and the summary. First you will self introduction, you will self introduce, then you will tell the summary of the book, what you have learned. The book name is this one, Leading Self and Beyond. Okay, this book it is better. Okay, you download the book and read the book. Okay, write 2 pages summary in A4 size paper. Only 2 pages you have to write. Okay, not more than 2 pages, and also make a video of less than 2 minutes. Okay, that's all. And before making the video, you have to also self introduce. You have to tell your name, your class, okay, and school name. But then about the book, what you have learned. Okay, so this is all about the competition. Okay, okay. So now we will go for registration. Okay, now we will go for registration. So either you can click here, register here. It is the saffron link. You will click here. Also, you will go to the uh, registration page, or otherwise, okay, you can go back. Sorry, you should not be go back. You will click here, login register. Okay, at the right top corner there is login register. You will click here, login and register. Okay, after that you will find such a page. Okay, if you have already registered, then you will here enter your email ID and password, and here enter your captcha. Captcha means the number which is being shown here, 7743. You will type here. If you have not registered yet, you will click here, sign up here. So if you are a student, sign up here. If you are a teacher or evaluator, sign up here. So you are a student, so you will click here. Okay, if you are a student, sign up here. So you will click here, sign up here. After that, you will get the student registration form. So you will click here. Okay, you will enter here full name here. Enter your full name. All will be in capital letter. You will enter your full name here. Suppose my name is Mukesh Chandra Rana. So you will enter your name here. Okay. Suppose I will enter Mukesh, Mukesh, Chandra, Rana. So I entered my name here. Okay. And here you will enter your email ID. Okay. After that you will write enter your mobile number here. Then you will enter here your password. Okay. Okay. So any password you can enter. Okay. But you have to remember the password. You have to remember the password. And better password is you will enter the first name. Okay, achha, first of all you will click here the I button. If you click the I button, then your password will be visible. So you will write here the first name of you. Suppose my name is Mukesh, Mukesh. My first name is Mukesh, so I will write Mukesh. After that, you will enter any 4 digits, but you have to remember. Suppose I will type 9777. Okay, 9777. So my password will be Mukesh 9777. So like that, you will enter your first name here. Okay, the first letter will be capital letter, and after that, all letters will be small letter. After that, you will also input any 4 numbers. So this will be your password, Mukesh 9777. This is my password. So like that you will also type your password. Okay, then after that you will click here sign up. Okay, I have already registered, so now I will click on sign in here. Okay, but you have to click on sign up. So after sign up, you will be get registered. Your registration will be completed. Your registration will be completed. Then after that, you will click on here, sign here. Okay, already have an account. I have already have an account because I have already registered. So I will sign here, and I will click on sign here. So after that, you will get such a link. So here you will email ID. You will enter your email ID here. Okay, I have registered with this email ID. So this email ID is being shown here because I have saved this email ID. Okay, so you will enter your email ID here. Then after that, you will enter your password here. Okay, during the registration, okay, you might have entered your password. So that password must be remembered by you. You can write that password in a notebook. Okay, so after that, you will yes, enter your password here. Then here you have to enter your captcha. So here the captcha is 2644. 2644. So now I will enter 2644. Okay. After that, you will click on login. Okay, I am clicking now on login. Okay. Okay. After that, you will get such a page. So here it is asked to pay 100 rupees, but participation fee is not mandatory. So click on pay now only if you can afford to pay 100 rupees. So if you are interested, then you can pay. If you are not interested, no need to pay. Okay, you can you should not pay it. Okay, so here you can see a cross mark, cross symbol is here. If you click on the cross mark, then it will be deleted. Okay, it will not be visible to you. Okay, now I am clicking on the cross mark. Okay, so now that page removed. Now I will click here. You have to click here. Here are three lines. So when you click on three lines, you will get such an interface. You will find a dashboard, my profile, upload files, e-certificate, change password, and log out. Now you will click on my profile. You will click on my profile. After clicking on my profile, okay, after clicking on my profile, you will get such an interface. You will get such an interface. So here your name, full name will be visible, your email ID will be visible, your student, okay, then full name, mobile, email ID. Then your personal info. In your personal info, you will see your full name here, mobile number here. And after that, you will scroll down and you will find class or course. Okay, so you will enter your class name here. Suppose I am from class 3, so I will enter class 3. Okay, then school name. So I will enter here KB Gajpati. Okay, you will enter here KB Gajpati. You will type here KB Gajpati. Okay, then your school address. So your school address you will type. Okay, my address is this. So I will type at Betaguda Post Jammi. Okay, next Parala Kemundi PARALAKHEMUNDI Kemundi. Then district Gajpati DIST district Gajpati GAJPATI Gajpati. Then state Odisha state. Okay, ODISHA Odisha. Then pin number. PIN. Pin number is 761201. Okay. You have to type here. Class 3, school name KB Gajpati. You have to type here. Okay. I have already typed, so I selected, but you have to type here. You will type here. Class 3 KB Gajpati. Then you will type the address here, school address. Okay. After that, you will scroll down. Then you will find here. Okay. Enter village name. If you are from any village, then you will type your village name. Otherwise, you can also type Parlakemundi. Okay, Paralakemundi. Parlakemundi. Then city also will be Parlakemundi. Then district will be your Gajpati. Okay, your district will be Gajpati. So you will type your own district. Okay, so if you are from Gajpati, then you will type Gajpati. Otherwise, if you are from any other district, then you will type your own district. Okay, Gajpati. Then state, you will type your state name here. Then country will be India. After that, you will scroll down. How did you come to know about RIC? Means that competition, this competition. So, how did you know? Your class teacher informed you in your WhatsApp group. So, you will type here our, okay, sorry, here. You type here our class teacher okay informed us in our class WhatsApp group. Okay, our class teacher informed us in our class WhatsApp group. Okay, then after that you will click on save and continue. You will click on save and continue. But before clicking on save and continue, please check what you have entered. There may be something wrong, so you will check. After you find that all your entries are correct, then you will click on save and continue. Okay, so now information updated successfully. So your data is already saved. Now has been saved. Now you will click on upload file. Here you have to what? You have to upload. Okay, 2 pages summary and 2 minute video. That means less than 2 minute video. So this can be done after reading of the book. So you will download the book, you will read the book. After that, you will again log in here. Okay, by entering your mail ID and password. After that, you will come here. Okay, upload files. You will click here, upload files. Okay, then you will see here add new files. You will click here, add new files. Okay, add new files. After that, you can see here the instructions. The file size should be maximum of 30 MB. So it should be less than 30 MB. It should not be more than 30 MB. Okay. Then upload file must be type JPG, MP4, is of a. So your video will be in MP4 format, and your what we call uh, yes, your summary will be in PDF format either or in JPG format. You can also click photos also. You can click photos also. You can upload also photos. Okay. Either you will upload PDF or photo, but that will be less than 3 pages. That means more only 2 pages you have to upload. 2 pages. Okay, 2 pages, and the video will be also less than 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes. Okay. After that, you will click here, drag and drop a file here. So you will click here, and here you will select. Okay, you will select your file, PDF file or JPG file. That means your photo and your video also. You will select both that. Okay, both the PDF. That means you can also select your photos, then your video also. After that, you will click here, continue and save. Okay, after you will click here, continue and save, and your video and PDF or photo file will be uploaded. After that, you can see here e-certificate. Okay, you will click on e-certificate. Okay, you will click on e-certificate, then a certificate will be here. This is to certify that your name, okay, student of your school, KB Gajapati, roll or ID number, okay, is a participant in the Ready India Celebration 2021. Then you can scroll up, you will see here print. Okay, if you will click on print, then your certificate will be printed. You will get your certificate. Okay, after that, your process is completed. Okay, after that, they will finalize the final list. They will screen list 100 students for second round. Okay, so if you will get selected, then you will go for second round. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Okay, thank you all.